Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Admiral Review My Usage Experience. Admiral Review My Usage Experience appears to be a service that helps businesses collect and manage customer reviews. It's likely targeted towards businesses of all sizes, from small local shops to larger e-commerce platforms, who want to improve their online reputation and leverage the power of customer feedback. Key features likely include review aggregation, review monitoring, and reporting tools. Their website likely provides more details on specific features and pricing tiers. Admiral Review probably promotes benefits like streamlined review management, improved customer engagement, and potential SEO benefits by showcasing positive testimonials. They might also emphasize ease of use and integration with existing platforms. It's difficult to say definitively how it compares to competitors without more information, but it likely focuses on providing a comprehensive solution for managing online reputation. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Admiral Review My Usage Experience. I signed up for a trial account to test it out for my small online store. The initial setup was surprisingly straightforward. I simply connected my existing business profiles on platforms like Google, Yelp, and Facebook, and Admiral Review automatically started pulling in reviews. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays overall review statistics, recent reviews, and sentiment analysis. I was particularly impressed by the ability to filter reviews by platform, date, and keywords, which made it easy to identify trends and address specific customer feedback. Performance-wise, the platform was consistently fast and reliable. I never experienced any delays or glitches. I did have a quick question about integrating with a less common review platform, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be convenient for managing reviews on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for automated review responses. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Admiral Review. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and significantly streamlined my review management process. The standout feature for me was definitely the sentiment analysis, which provided valuable insights into customer opinions. That's my overview of Admiral Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.